Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we have kind of a special video. As you can see, I've got a Scale Trains rivet counter SD40-2 to unbox for y'all. Scale Trains, I ordered this a couple days ago. It is the Southern Railway high hood. I really like this locomotive. I love the Southern. Obviously, I love Norfolk Southern, and they came from the Southern. And Southern's a big part of that, so this is probably one of my favorite railroads. This is a rivet counter model, DC. I probably will eventually upgrade it to DCC, but yeah, here's the box. They have a very cool box. You can read about it here if you would like. You can pause the video, but yeah, we'll get right into it. This is a nice little box. Put that to the side. Now you can see we've got the product manual and then what all the functions do if it was DCC, if you ever convert it to DCC, and then a whole bunch of other stuff, bunch of information, cleaning, all that good stuff, all the things that you need to know. Yeah, obviously this isn't DCC, so this isn't as important, so we'll move on from that. And here we have the locomotive. I have taken it out of the case, so that's why it's a little wonky there. But yeah, we'll go ahead and take this out. It's a nice case. I really like this little box that it comes in. But yeah, then we'll slide it out of here and pop this little side lid off. And normally there's a plastic cover over it, but like I said, I took it off already. And here we have the model. It's very fragile. You can see how loose the trucks are. But yeah, you see all that detail in there. And then I just kind of slide those out like that. And there you go, the beautiful Southern SD40-2 high hood. Even's got all the little fans in there, as expected from a rivet counter model. This is my first rivet counter model, so I am extremely happy. There's the front. I actually don't know which side is the front on this. I probably need to do a little reading up on that. I believe this end here is the front. But yeah, here's that. It's road number 3221X. I don't know what the X is for, but obviously, once again, I need to do some more reading. You can see all of that fantastic detail. It's got directional lighting. Yeah, and then it's got light up number boards as expected, which light up both ways, no matter which way you're going. And then the headlights are directional. You can see we've got a little horn there, a little bell, another horn on that side. I'm not sure if there's a cab interior in here, but it looks like there is, so that's awesome for an N-scale model. Yeah, you can see all the details, all the little rivets. This thing is awesome. Shout out to Scale Trains. This thing is absolutely beautiful. You can see the holes in the bottom for a sugar cube speaker that will fit down there, and everything. There's already wire holes and everything in there. All good to go if you want to upgrade it to DCC. So yeah, I'll put this on the track for y'all and we can ride a little bit. Alright y'all, we're back on the layout. I've got 3221 up on the track. You can see this immaculate detail, even better in this light. That's just amazing. That just looks great. But yeah, anyway, we'll give her a little run. I'll show you how she runs. Yeah, here we go. Keep in mind my track is probably pretty dirty, but you know. So for the little bag on my layout, I was doing some renovations. But yeah, you can see the number boards and the directional lighting, and then on this side you've got just the number boards, and then if we flip it around, we'll get the headlight on this side and just the number boards on the other side. And yeah, that's pretty freaking awesome. I think from now on, so far all I have right now is Kato models, these two SC70 Aces and this SD40-2. But I think from now on, scale trains is the standard for me, because Kato, a great company, would 100% recommend them. Their models run amazing, but the scale trains just look so good. Obviously, so does the Kato, but yeah. You can see a side-by-side comparison there. Obviously it's not super fair because this one's weathered. But yeah, it's got the painted handrails. I really like the scale trains couplers. Yeah, it's just awesome. Paid $150 for this model. I'd say it was 100% worth it. Go check out the Scale Trains website. That's where I picked it up from. They got free shipping on models over $100, which is awesome. And yeah, their DC models right now, their older ones are $150. So I would definitely recommend picking those up. I think the decoders are $90 something, and the little sugar cube speakers are like $5 or something if they're in stock. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is an absolutely awesome model. I'll probably do a more in-depth review later on pulling capacity and all that. But that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.